Hey, chosen ones, the law of attraction has transformed lives worldwide, and today you'll discover a powerful technique that aligns your mind and energy with your goals. This method focuses on affirming your desires in a specific way to bring your dreams to reality. Let's go deep into how this works and the steps to make it an integral part of your daily life. To master any manifestation method, understanding its foundation is essential. This particular technique centers around the idea that words carry energy and shape your reality. Every thought and statement you repeat influences your subconscious, which in turn directs your actions and experiences. When you consistently affirm positive outcomes, you rewire your mind to focus on possibilities rather than obstacles. For example, instead of dwelling on fears or doubts, this technique encourages statements like, "I am confident and capable," which subtly transforms your inner narrative. Repetition is key here. The more often you repeat an affirmation, the more your mind begins to believe it. This belief triggers actions that align with the affirmation, creating a ripple effect in your life. Incorporating this practice daily builds momentum. Over time, you'll notice a shift, not just in your thoughts, but also in how opportunities seem to flow more naturally into your life. The beauty of this technique lies in its simplicity and personalization. Affirmations must resonate with your desires and feel achievable yet empowering. The structure of these affirmations is crucial to their effectiveness. Start by focusing on the present moment. Use phrases that affirm your desires as if they are already happening, such as, "I am surrounded by abundance," or I'm attracting meaningful connections." This signals to your mind that the goal is within reach. Avoid negative language. Instead of saying, "I am not stressed," say, "I am calm and centered." The subconscious mind tends to ignore the word "not," so positive framing is essential. Consistency amplifies results. Create a routine where you write or repeat affirmations every morning and night. Speak them with conviction, as if every word carries immense power. Add emotional depth to your affirmations. Feel the joy, gratitude, or peace they inspire. This emotional connection strengthens your belief, making the affirmation more effective. Visualization pairs perfectly with affirmations, amplifying their impact. It involves creating mental images that reflect the reality you wish to manifest, making the experience more tangible for your mind. Start by sitting in a quiet space, free from distractions. Close your eyes and picture your desired outcome as vividly as possible. Imagine every detail, what it looks like, feels like, and how it changes your life. Incorporate all your senses into the visualization. For instance, if your goal is financial abundance, picture your bank account growing, feel the excitement, and even imagine the sound of a celebratory message on your phone. Combine these visualizations with your affirmations. As you repeat them, let the mental images strengthen your belief in their possibility. This dual approach creates a powerful alignment of thought and feeling. Make this practice a habit. Just 5 minutes a day can significantly enhance your manifestation journey, turning abstract desires into vivid, actionable goals. Resistance and self-doubt often act as barriers to effective manifestation. Recognizing and addressing them is crucial for progress. Negative beliefs, such as feeling unworthy or incapable, can sabotage your efforts. Start by identifying these thoughts. Write them down and reflect on their origins. Are they based on facts or assumptions? Challenge these doubts with empowering affirmations. For example, replace "I'm not good enough" with "I am capable and deserving." Over time, this reframes your mindset, making space for positive energy. Be patient with yourself. Resistance often stems from years of ingrained habits and beliefs. Consistent practice of this technique helps dismantle these patterns gradually. Surround yourself with positivity. Engage with supportive people. Read uplifting materials and consume content that reinforces your belief in the power of manifestation. This external environment strengthens your internal resolve. Clarity is essential when using this technique. Without a clear intention, your affirmations and visualizations may lack focus, reducing their effectiveness. Start by defining your goals. Be specific about what you want and why you want it. For example, instead of saying, "I want success," define what success means to you. Perhaps a fulfilling career, financial independence, or personal growth. Write your intentions in detail. This exercise helps solidify your desires and provides a reference point for your affirmations. Focus on one or two goals at a time. Spreading your energy too thin can dilute its impact. Prioritize what matters most and give it your full attention. Align your intentions with your values. When your goals resonate with your core beliefs, you'll find it easier to stay motivated and committed to the practice. Consistency is the secret to making this technique work, and creating a ritual can help embed it into your daily routine. Designate a specific time each day for affirmations and visualizations. Morning and evening are ideal, as your mind is most receptive during these times. Create a peaceful environment for your practice. Light a candle, play calming music, or find a quiet corner where you won't be disturbed. Combine this practice with other habits, such as journaling or meditation. In this incorporation makes it easier to maintain consistency. Track your progress. Keep a journal to record your affirmations, visualizations, and any changes or opportunities you notice. This reflection reinforces your belief in the process. Gratitude is a catalyst for manifestation. Incorporating it into this technique amplifies its effects, aligning you with abundance. Begin each session by acknowledging what you're grateful for. This shifts your mindset from lack to abundance, creating a fertile ground for your affirmations. Express gratitude for your desires as if they are already fulfilled. For example, say, "I am grateful for the opportunities flowing into my life." This reinforces your belief in their manifestation. Keep a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're thankful for daily. This habit trains your mind to focus on positivity, making it easier to align with your goals. Cultivate gratitude throughout your day. The more you practice this mindset, the stronger its influence on your manifestation efforts becomes. Affirmations and visualizations are powerful tools, but without action, their potential remains untapped. Aligning your actions with your intentions bridges the gap between desire and reality. Begin by identifying small, actionable steps that move you closer to your goal. For instance, if your affirmation focuses on financial growth, consider actions like improving your skills, exploring new income opportunities, or managing your budget more effectively. Stay consistent in your efforts. Even minor actions, when repeated regularly, create a compound effect over time. These actions not only demonstrate commitment, but also signal to the universe your readiness to receive. Evaluate your progress regularly, reflect on what's working, and adjust your actions as needed. This flexibility ensures you stay aligned with your goals while adapting to changing circumstances. The final and perhaps most important step in this technique is cultivating trust in the process. Doubt and impatience can hinder progress, so it's essential to develop a sense of faith and surrender. Understand that manifestation doesn't always follow a linear path. Sometimes the results might come in unexpected ways or timelines. Accept these surprises as part of the journey. Focus on the present moment rather than obsessing over outcomes. Enjoy the practice itself, affirming, visualizing, and taking action, knowing that each step is bringing you closer to your desires. Let go of attachment to specific results. Trust that what you're manifesting is either on its way or that something even better is aligning for you. This sense of surrender creates space for miracles to happen. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Recognizing your growth reinforces your belief in the power of this technique and keeps you motivated to continue. By incorporating this life-changing law of attraction technique into your life, you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your highest desires. With consistent practice and unwavering trust, you'll notice opportunities and blessings flowing into your life. Stay committed, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more ways to manifest your dreams.